guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. I hope that you guys like this kind of like background. I was trying to change it up a bit, and this is like the only place where I have like really nice lighting. So yeah, like just bear with me. I'm still trying to find like how to film videos around here and everything. So in this video, I'm showing you one of my workout routines. I'm doing like back and some abs and a little bit of like arms. I hope that you guys like it and that it's useful in case you're looking for like some other kind of exercises to do at gym or at home. If you have weights, like you can totally do this as well. Or if you're just like starting to work out and go to the gym, maybe like give you some inspiration. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So usually one of my favorite workouts to do, it's legs, but for this day I decided to do some pull plus abs. So I've been like changing up my routines just a little bit, some exercises, but most of the ones that I did for this routine are kind of the same like throughout the week kind of thing, like if that makes sense. Like I repeat some of these exercises here and there. A lot of this exercises you can do it at home. You don't really need to go to the gym, and especially like my gym, it's like in my neighborhood, so it doesn't have like that many things. So I always look for something that it's easy to do and that I don't really have to be like paying for gym or like moving around that much. But for the first exercise, I decided to do some dumbbell underhand single arm row. And I've seen people do so many mistakes while doing this kind of exercise, so I'll kind of like explain you a little bit of how I do it. And after this kind of workouts, like I finished so sore. So you're gonna need like a bench or like some kind of like flat surface, and you're gonna start with your back flat. Also, sorry if I'm looking down, I just have like written everything on my notebook to track all the workouts and how much weight I've been doing, so that I can improve and like see some progress on my workouts. And a dumbbell in one of your hands, and the other one you're gonna kind of like place it flat like in front of you kind of thing. You're gonna pull the dumbbell backwards, and you're gonna stop when tricep is parallel to your back. Now for this kind of exercises, I do 4 sets of 12 each, and I've been doing dumbbell of 15 pounds, but you can always start with less weight and do more repetitions, or you can have more weight and do less repetitions. Then the next one I did is a superset, and for this ones I really like doing like supersets, which is like 2 exercises combined, like back to back without any rest. I like doing this to kind of like pump up my heart rate. And for this superset, on the first exercise, I do some regular bicep curls. And this one, I am also using 15-pound dumbbells. And then after that, I am combining it with some ab workout. And for this is some crossbody mountain climbers, or you can just do regular mountain climbers depending on how you feel more comfortable. And for this one, I also do 3 sets of 12 repetitions each. For the next one, I also did a superset, and I did a combination of some alternating hammer curls and some abs. But for the hammer curls, I did 3 sets of 12 each. Usually I do like 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise that I do. You can also do like starting the set with like some heavy dumbbells and start like going down. For the ab workout, like 2 options that I like doing. One is just doing like a regular plank for either 30 seconds or 60 seconds depending on how much you want to do. And usually like I do this kind of planks like by the end whenever I'm like very tired, I can't do more than that. And the other option is like you start with an elbow plank position and then start rocking forward and backwards. So you push your body forward, keeping your core engaged, and you do like some slow movements and small movements going up, forward and backwards. So for these ones, I do 45 seconds. Now for my last exercise is a lat pull down, and I don't have that many options at my gym for like things that you hold, so I kind of like have to be creative on which one I'm using because we don't have that much stuff, that much equipment. You're gonna pull the attachment down toward the top of your chest, keeping like your arms like kind of like parallel to your body or like to your chest, if that makes sense. And this one is kind of similar to some that you guys have probably seen at the gym, where you're just like horizontal do the lat pull down, but if you don't have that kind of machine, you can definitely do what I'm doing in this one. But yeah, I hope that this all made sense, and if not, I hope that you guys can watch the videos and demonstrations and make a little bit more sense. But let me know if you guys like this kind of videos. I'm not the best at explaining my workouts, but I really love showing you what I do and what keeps me motivated to go to the gym and staying healthy and active. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I would love to keep showing you more of my workout routines. Maybe I can do like what I work out during the whole week, just a little bit like some snippets of what I do, or maybe what I eat in a day. I would love to do something like that too. So yeah, hope to see you guys on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.